I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. Trust me when I say you don't want to miss How To Tuesday. I save you time, I save you money. I feature some pretty cool car tech, and every once in a while I share my driving tips I learned on my family's go-kart track. But today is all about more cool tech and teaching you how to use the remote starter on your key fob when you purchase the new Lexus RX 350 or Lexus 450h, which is so nice. So there's a trick. So there's two actual ways how you can use your remote starter for your all-new Lexus. You could use your key fob or the Lexus app. But when you're using your key fob, there's a special trick. First, you have to lock the doors twice and then immediately hold the lock button. Wait a second, and then sometimes it starts. Let's try that again. Lock it, hold. Voila! It just takes a second, but it does the work. And remember, there's always the Lexus app, which you can connect to your mobile device. Guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Make sure you don't miss my full review of the all-new Lexus RX 350 on the next Feature Car Friday. Thanks for watching, guys.